dear students. Today we will try to understand the term business environment analysis. We will also discuss various features of business environmental analysis and significance of business environment analysis. First, we are going to understand the meaning of term business environment analysis. Environmental analysis and diagnosis are the first steps in the strategic management process. Whenever company is going to formulate any strategy for its business, it is required to undertake the environmental analysis first. In previous lecture, we have discussed various components of internal and external environment. If company can study these components in a systematic way and proper way, they can formulate appropriate strategy for their business, which will lead them to become successful. Environmental analysis is the process by which strategist who is responsible for formulating the strategy monitors the economic, governmental, legal, market, supplier, technological, geographic, and social settings to determine the opportunities and threats to his or her firm. Now we will try to understand the features of business environmental analysis. The first feature is it is holistic exercise. Environmental analysis takes a holistic, broad view of the environment instead of scanning trends in a narrow fashion. It is a way of looking at the forest rather than the individual trees in the forest. Number two feature is exploratory process. Environmental analysis is exploratory process. Environmental analysis tries to explore the unknown things, putting emphasis on what could happen. The focus is clearly on alternatives, future choices, seeking clarification of the assumption about future, speculating systematically about various outcomes, assessing probabilities, and drawing more rational conclusions. So it is a exploratory process in this way. Next feature of business environmental analysis is it is a continuous activity. It is not one shot deal. It is a continuous process of picking up new signals from the environment and keeping track of shifts in overall pattern of trends. For this, detailed studies are carried out from time to time to keep a close watch on previously identified trends that were found to be important from the organization's point of view. So these are the main features of business environmental analysis. Now we will try to understand significance of business environment analysis, or simply putting it, what is the importance of conducting business environment analysis. Number of points can be given here which will be proving that there is a lot of significance or importance of conducting business environment analysis. We will discuss one by one. First is forecasting environment for the business. Environmental analysis provides the time to the strategist of forecast opportunities and to plan to respond in a proper way to these opportunities. Second point is it acts as warning system. Environmental analysis helps strategists to develop an early warning system to prevent threats, to develop strategies which can convert a threat into an opportunity. Third point can be factor determination. It helps to determine what factors in the environment present threats to the organization's present strategy and objectives achievement. The next point is identifying a risk for the business. It also helps in identifying the inherent risks involved in utilizing the opportunities as normally, and it highlights particular risks involved in any opportunity. Next point is giving direction for growth. The interaction with the environment leads to opening up new frontiers of growth for the business firms. It enables the business to identify the areas for growth and expansion of their activities. Next point is a continuous learning for managers. Environmental analysis basically makes the task of managers easier in dealing with the business challenges. The managers are motivated to continuously update their knowledge, understanding, and skills to meet the predicted changes in the changing environment pertaining to the business. Next point is strategy formulation. Business analysis or business environment analysis helps business houses in formulating the strategy which will be the most appropriate strategy for the business house after analyzing and studying various components of business environment which will be having its influence on the working of the business house. Next point is meeting competition. Business analysis, environmental analysis helps the firms to analyze the competitor strategies and formulation of firms' particular strategy to tackle these competitors in a proper and efficient way. So in this lecture we have discussed the meaning of term business environment analysis. We have seen features of business environmental analysis, and we have also discussed the significance of business environment analysis for the business firm. Thank you.